Today we are taking a deep dive off the coast.
Huawei Mate X5 vs. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, a comical showdown. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the foldable phone heavyweight championship. In one corner, we have the refined, Kirin-powered contender from the east, the Huawei Mate X5, and in the other, the reigning champion from the west, the Snapdragon-wielding, camera-packing Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Let's get ready to rumble. Asterisk the tail of the tape specs. Asterisk display, the Mate X5 throws a jab with its slightly larger 7.85-inch main screen. The Z Fold 7 counters with a knockout 8.2-inch display and a higher peak brightness. Winner, Samsung, but just barely. It's like winning by 1 point in a basketball game. Asterisk processor, the Z Fold 7 comes out swinging at the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite, a known powerhouse. The Mate X5 stands its ground with the Kirin-powered OS, a chip that's a bit of a mystery to the outside world. Winner, Samsung. It's the difference between a celebrity chef and that one guy in the family who makes surprisingly good barbecue but won't share the recipe. Asterisk cameras. Samsung flexes its muscles with a massive 200MP main sensor. The Mate X5, however, is a seasoned veteran with its impressive 5x optical zoom periscope lens. Winner, a tie. Samsung is the one who yells "I'm a pro" and takes a picture of the moon, while Huawei is the quiet artist who takes a perfect close-up of a hummingbird's beak. Asterisk battery and charging. The Mate X5 has a bigger 5060 mAh battery and a faster 606 wired charging speed. The Z Fold 7 has a smaller 4400 mAh battery and a why not faster 205 wired charging. Winner, Huawei. It's a classic tortoise and hare story, but the tortoise has a bigger fuel tank and can get a refill way faster. Asterisk special features and functionality. Asterisk the hinge. The Mate X5's hinge is designed to leave a minimal crease, almost like it's shy. The Z Fold 7 has improved, but you can still spot a line if the light hits it just right. Winner, Huawei. When you open it, it's like a perfectly pressed suit. With the Z Fold 7, it's a perfectly pressed suit that's been sat in for 5 minutes. Asterisk satellite communication. The Mate X5 has a secret weapon, satellite messaging. You could be lost in the middle of nowhere and still text your mom. The Z Fold 7? Not so much. Winner, Huawei. This feature is for when you're truly off the grid, not just when you're in a Wi-Fi dead zone at a coffee shop. Asterisk the ecosystem. The Z Fold 7 comes with the full suite of Google services. The Mate X5 relies on its own harmonious and app gallery. Winner, Samsung. This is the difference between a fully stocked grocery store and a fantastic farmer's market, where you have to go looking for things. In conclusion, both are incredible devices. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the popular, well-rounded champion, while the Huawei Mate X5 is the innovative, slightly quirky challenger. Thank you for watching. Share your opinion on the comment section.